Okay, we're just going to continue on here with the colors that we did have. I'm going to see what happens if I swirl. All right. Okay, now for our marbled milk paper, I'm going to tell you some ingredients again in case you wanted to start this from the beginning. You want milk, cow milk or almond milk. The higher fat count, the better. You need watercolor paper because it's good at absorbing the colors, whereas cardstock or regular paper doesn't absorb as well. Your dish soap, your Q-tips, your food coloring, your tray, your dish, and here we have a towel and we have some paper towels. All right, we're going to put this in. Sometimes your paper feels like it's bending one way or the other. Tap it down, lift it up. Woohoo! There we go. Now we're talking. Right over here. Try some of that blue area. Now this is what's fun too. You could swish it around. You could leave it the way it just automatically came out, or you could have some fun with it if it came out really dark. I'm going to play around with this again. You could go in on it. Let me put it where you can see it, and dab it with a folded paper towel, kind of like when you do with watercolor. Get it to look different. Effects also. And see, now that was what we would call muddied. Get about maybe 4 pieces of paper out of that. Let's take my old one from earlier and see what happens. Ooh! That might be fun to dab at also. All right. I think this takes about an hour to dry, or if you can't wait that long, of course you could use a hairdryer. Then you could frame these cool, if they turn out with some really cool swirls, frame them or make them into a card. You could, once they're dry, you could have fun with them and draw on them with markers. See you next time.